Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in your CoinZoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your CoinZoom app and hit the login option. So once you tap on login, you need to type in your email address of your account and then type in your password of your account. After you do so, hit that login button, and once you do it, you will end up in your CoinZoom account. So once you're in this kind of interface, you can simply tap on and start your trade in your CoinZoom app. So this is how you get logged in into your CoinZoom app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.